Introducing Fletch, the early warning system from Microsoft. Discover your threats sooner, know what to prioritize, and how to fix it with the Microsoft products you already own. Use Entra ID for single sign-on? Connect in minutes and watch as Fletch's AI engine pulls out hidden security insights. Now you'll always know the threats targeting the technologies your team uses and the threats targeting the locations you do business in. No need for third-party software, manual threat research, or correlation work. Use Microsoft Defender? Not all alerts are created equal. Fletch's AI engine saves you time by prioritizing your Defender vulnerability and malware alerts. Fletch then generates the advice you need to proactively mitigate threats before you're breached. Focus your time on the most pressing alerts and ignore the irrelevant ones, which are probably most of them. Use GitHub, activate Dependabot, and connect to Fletch. Now you'll always know the few vulnerable code libraries that actually matter to you without lifting a finger. Fixing code vulnerabilities is a necessary evil, but a huge hassle for engineers. We save them time by finding and prioritizing code-based vulnerabilities and telling you exactly how to update them. Simplify the process so your engineers can focus on more critical work. With Fletch, you'll get more from the Microsoft products you use every day. With our complete exposure coverage and the earliest warning system you'll ever have, you'll know your threats and what to prioritize before they become a big deal. Fletch is now available in the Microsoft Azure Marketplace. Use your existing Microsoft budget to easily transact. No new line item, no new licensing, as little as $2 per employee. Start living ahead of threats today.